What's going on, everybody? This is a 2016 Scarab 195. This is their HO, high output, 250 horse jet boat. 19 foot, does have the wakeboard tower there, bimini top, swing tongue trailer, has the ratchet straps on the back too. Marine mat flooring on the back here, still in pretty good shape. Versa lounges. Let's get up here. Nice little walkthrough of the boat. These can go back and forth, so you can sit looking backwards when you're anchored. Or nice little addition here. Lots of space here for 19 foot. Holds 8 people. Snap in and out flooring. Little bow walkthrough here. A little short in the front, but enough space for me. It's about 160 hours on this boat. There is even a pad. Doesn't fit right now, but fits right in there, so you can complete the bench in the back there. Thanks for watching.